Hello, cherished viewers. You are welcome to Nuɖuƒe channel. My name is Millicent Kuda. In today's lesson, we are going to explore our homes. We are going to look at some items in the home and how we can mention or call them in Ewe. We are going to look at the building as a structure and the various components we can find in the building. How do we call them in Ewe? And some sentences that we can use in teaching our children how to call these things. Stay tuned.
Go. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abavio la tutana do vagbajro. Amabubu na nyaba. Agbiadeli oyoba vagba. No fi way. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abavio la tutana do vagbajro. Amabubu na nyaba. Agbiadeli oyoba vagba.
We are going to look at the house as a structure. The house in Ewe is called Ape. Ape. For instance, in Ewe sentence, Fofonye to Ape yeye, which means my father built a new house. My father built a new house. In Ewe we call fence or the fence wall kpɔ or kpɔtɔtɔ. In a sentence we can say Fofonye tɔkpɔ ɖe aƒe yeye la ŋu. Fofonye tɔkpɔ ɖe aƒe yeye la ŋu, which means my father has fenced the new house. My father has fenced the new house. Now, around the house we find what we call Agbo. Agbo means gate. Gate. For instance, in a sentence, Todia vu agbola. Todia vu agbola, which means uncle opened the gate. Uncle opened the gate. So, around the house, the space there, we call it Xɔxɔnu. Xɔxɔnu means compound. Compound. In a sentence, we can say, Dada le Xɔxɔnu. Dada le Xɔxɔnu, which means mother is sweeping the compound. Mother is sweeping the compound. So we can find another component as Xɔ. Xɔ. Xɔ means room. 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 In a sentence we can say, Tɔgbui le eƒe xɔme. Tɔgbui le eƒe xɔme, which means grandfather is in his room. Grandfather is in his room. Hall in Ewe is called Kpata or anyinɔxɔ. Akpata or anyinɔxɔ, meaning hall or sitting room. We can use it in a sentence like ete le akpata me. Ete le akpata me, meaning auntie is in the hall. Auntie is in the hall. So another component we can find is Xɔgã or anyimlɔxɔ, which means chamber or bedroom. In a sentence we can say Kofi dɔ alɔ ɖe xɔgã me. Kofi dɔ alɔ ɖe xɔgã me, which means Kofi is sleeping in the bedroom or in the chamber. So we can find another space called Nuɖuƒe. Nuɖuƒe is dining hall. Dining hall. So in a sentence we can say Ɖeviwo le nuɖum le nuɖuƒe. Ɖeviwo le nuɖum le nuɖuƒe. Which means the children are eating in the dining hall. The children are eating in the dining hall. Now in the dining hall we find a table. That table is called Nuɖuƒe. Nuɖuplɔ, dining table. Dining table. For instance, in a sentence we can say Nuɖuɖua le nuɖukplɔ dzi. Nuɖuɖua le nuɖukplɔ dzi, which means the food is on the dining table. The food is on the dining table. So around the building we can see a component like fesre. Fesre means window. Window. For instance, in a sentence we can say Ajo tu fesre la, which means Ajo has closed the window. We can see another component called votru or vo, meaning door. Door. In a sentence we can say Mama tu voa. Mama tu voa. Mama tu voa, which means Grandma has closed the door. Or Grandma closed the door. So on the door we find something called gamati. Gamati means door handle. Door handle. So in a sentence we can say gamati la nge. Gamati la nge, which means the door handle is broken. The door handle is broken. So on the same door, we use something we call safui. Safui is key. Key. So in a sentence we can say Atuwa ple safui. Atuwa ple safui. Meaning he locked the door with a key. So another space we can find in a home is chilepe. Chilepe. Chilepe is bathroom. For instance, in a sentence we can say Papa le chilem le chilepe. Papa le chilem le chilepe. Which means father is bathing in the bathhouse. There is another component called afojidepe or nugododepe, which means toilet. Toilet. Another component in a home which is very important is jodofe. Jodofe means kitchen. Kitchen. For instance, in a sentence we can say Dada le nuɖam le jodofe. Dada le nuɖam le jodofe. So viewers, these are the few items we bring to your notice just to boost our vocabulary when we are in the house and we are teaching the language to our children. In our subsequent lessons, we'll be bringing you more about these items and things we can find in the home. Thanks for watching.
Go, go, go. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abavio la tutana do vagbajro. Amabubu na nyabe. Agbiadeli oyo be vagbe. No fiwe. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abaviola tutana do vagbajro. Amabubu na nyabe. Agbiadeli oyo be vagbe.